Very good. 4x squared
equals 9x.
equal
9x minus 3.
Alright. AB equal to C. Then what do you do?
I would do plus 3.
Not plus 3.
I would do that. That's just me personally.
What one do you move? You move this. You're gonna be completing the square, my dear. It's A and B on the same side. N is equal to, we got it 3. And that's it plus y. Right? As equals. You want the A and the B to be on one side and the C by itself. That's what you do when you're completing the square. So what do you do next? Let's go, people. And what goes inside the parentheses? X squared, be careful. Good for you. Yeah. So when you distribute it, the 4 will cancel out, you end up with your 9x. That's the game. That's the. Some of you don't even try to do that. You skip it. I don't know why. Right? Then what we do from there? That's equal to, right? Y minus 3. Then what we do? We're completing the square. Right? What do we divide? Negative 9 over 4 multiplied by what? 1 over 2. And that's what you are going to square.
Wait, hold on, sir.
Still don't see it?
Rewind.
Alright, I'm going to take negative 9 over 4 divided by 2 over 1. We keep multiplication, then we flip. Where did I get 1/2?
The square?
You always divide B by 2. You always divide B by 2. By 2 is 2 over 1. When you flip it, it's 1 over 2. Just it? Mental work. Right? Divide by 2 is 2 over 1. You're going to flip it, it's going to become 1 over 2. So this is going to become, you multiply this way, it's going to become negative 9 over 8. And we're going to keep that as our reference. And that's what you square. When you square it, this becomes what? 81 over 64. That's what you add inside the parentheses to make it a perfect square trinomial.
Yeah.
Right? All up. All up. It's a P that you add 81 over 64 on one side. But in reality, what do you add?
4 times.
It's 4 times that. That's what you add on the other side. You see the 4? And you multiply it by that, then that's what you need to add here. 4 times 81 over 64. Otherwise, your equation will not be balanced. So far, so good?
This is in chemistry.
Make sense? So let's go. That's what you have to do. Since this is a perfect square trinomial, we're going to square that. Your problem here now is to simplify that. You can put this over 1. The 4, let's go to 64. How many times?
16.
16. Now what is your common denominator?
3.
16. Then I'm going to multiply this by 16. I'm going to multiply this by 16. The 4 that was there, 4 and 64, they have 4 in common. Simplify it. That's how you get 81 over 16. But you have negative 2 over 1. We need to have the same denominator in order to combine it. Okay? Then now, This become y plus 3, negative 3 times 16, which is what? That would be negative 48 plus what? 81, everything is over 16. Then you're going to fill in the parentheses now. What is the magic thing that goes inside the parentheses? That's a common mistake. X. What was the reference? Minus 9 over 8. Some of you keep putting 64 over 81 over 64. That's not why. You need to fix that mistake. Make sense? You cannot keep making the same mistake. Now, we got negative 48 plus 81. What is that? Then we'll have y plus 33 over 16 is equal to 4 times x minus 9 over 8 squared. Since why did in vertex form we need to get y by itself? We're solving for y. What will you do? You subtract 33 over 16 from each side. Then your equation will be in vertex form. This cancel out, right? Then this is your goal. You need this guy to be by itself. So what will be your final outcome?
4 times x minus 9.
We have y equal 4 times
x
minus 9 over 8 squared minus 13 over 16. Now what is my
33?
33?
Yeah.
I'm taking off 13. What I'm doing today? Let's go play 13. Alright? Then what is the vertex?
Negative 9.
9, 8, comma, negative 33 over 16. Then you're done. That's all you're doing today. That's why equation in vertex form.